Today's Midday Kentucky cooking segment brought to you by Creative Kitchen and Bath, where you will always cook in style.
Welcome back to Midday Kentucky, everyone, over here with our resident nutritionist, Amanda Nighbert. How are you, my darling?
I'm good. How are you?
Well, I love doing segments with you because you tell me everything I'm doing wrong and I walk away feeling more positive for 24 hours until I shove that M&M in my mouth and then I forget who you are.
It's a common.
I know,
yes.
I know, but I do watch and follow all your Instagram and Twitter feeds.
Yes,
You're popular.
Oh, well, I try to give out as much free nutritional information as I can.
Okay, now here's the thing, everyone. It is holiday season.
It is holiday season.
And it's hard to be good in every meal.
I agree. I'm all about progress, not perfection.
I like that. And when I saw you unpacking these today,
yes,
the pretzels, I went, ooh.
What are we doing?
This all sounds a bit frisky.
That's right.
All right, so talk to me.
So I love the holidays, lots of kind of treats and candies around the house, and I'm definitely going to indulge a little bit here and there. So this is one of my favorite kind of holiday bark treats to make.
Okay, oh, bark.
It's kind of like a Christmas bark, and I'm going to show you some modifications that you can make to lighten it up a little bit.
Okay, good.
So we start out with just a cup of butter and a cup of brown sugar, and we bring that to a rolling boil.
Which
so we've already done that, correct. And we want that to cook for about 5 minutes, just kind of boil. We don't want it to burn or anything. Okay. And then what I have is I've lined my sheet with some Reynolds wrap, and it just makes for easy cleanup. Aluminum foil. And I'm going to go ahead and have you just pour this sugar mixture all over.
And you know I'd be doing a good job of that.
Yes. So just drizzle it all over the pretzels. And then what we're going to do is put this in the oven to kind of cook for about just a minute or two in the oven. And it's going to kind of like harden everything up. Now, the little tricks that you can do with regards to this little soap, that's good. No, we're going to spread it all around. So just dump it all out. Yeah, so we'll just spread it all out.
I was trying to make it look all pretty.
No. So this is just really going to be kind of like our base. So we'll spread all of, and it creates that
now
kind
I get
it. And one of the tricks that you can do, I'm a huge proponent of being gluten-free. I think gluten creates a lot of inflammation in the body. So while this has a lot of sugar and stuff, yes, that's the issue. So go ahead and throw that in the oven really quick.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, that's it. We're just going to let this bake for just a quick minute, and then we're going to throw some chocolate on it.
Okay.
And that's what I love about this recipe. It's super quick and easy. I will make it up. You can keep it in your freezer and then package it in little mason jars and give it to my neighbors. They love that.
Aren't you handy?
But you can make this with gluten-free pretzels, and you gave that a try. And
of course.
They were really good. They were really good.
I will say, now, you had these ones to begin with.
That's what we're using,
And I said, they're really yummy pretzels. Then I tried the gluten-free, and they were super crunchy.
Yeah, they're really nice and crunchy. So that's a great switch that you can do.
Big difference in pricing?
Probably $1, $2 more.
Okay.
You could also...
But it's your health.
That's right. So we used a regular brown sugar, and you could use a low-calorie brown sugar substitute.
Splenda.
So it's going to really cut back on the sugar and carbs.
Brown sugar blend.
Yeah, exactly. So instead of using a cup of brown sugar, you could use a cup of this kind of Splenda blend.
Does it taste the same as the...
100%. Tastes just the same. Tastes just the same. So that's a nice little holiday switch that you can do as well. And then the last thing is I usually use these really rich Ghirardelli dark chocolate. Dark chocolate has less carbs, less macros in it, less calories.
So I should drink more mocha chocolate coffee?
Yes. Some cacao. Cacao is good. But these Lily chocolates are really good. If you want to grab this out, the Lily chocolates are really nice. They're sweetened with stevia, so they're super low in carbohydrates.
How do I know if that's cooked?
Oh, it'll be just a little bubbly around the top, and all we're going to do is just sprinkle this chocolate all over it, and this is just going to melt up. We will spread that out once it starts to melt. And then
kids are gonna love it.
I know they're gonna love it. And then we will break that up into little.
No, I put that back in there.
No, right there. It'll just melt on top of that.
It just melts on top.
Yeah, and we'll spread it out.
Oh, well,
that's
simple dimple. If you want to find out about this recipe, which is pretty simple, everyone.
It is so
Great
simple.
for the holidays, for your neighbours' gifts, and also teacher gifts.
Yeah, teacher gifts.
Yeah.
They'll love it.
Head over to wtvq.com/Midday Kentucky. Find the recipe there. Amanda, what's your handles on Instagram?
AmandaNighbert.com, Amanda Nighbert RD on Instagram.
I'm telling you, sign up to her program. It really is amazing. I'm not doing it 100% myself, and I'm always in trouble about it. See you after the break, everyone.